Replace ko na yung kulang. Si Cheng. Bin, Cheng, Humphrey, Xavier, Rev, at saka Joven. Maraming kulang sa C. Rev, wala pa. So, middle. Sino pa? Si Joven. Xavier, nandiyan na. Kaya ko si Xavier. Xavier, wala pa. Xavier is middle also. Dalawang middle kayo wala. Ikaw na. Middle. Yeah, complete na. One more? Si Ben. Where's Ben? Ben. Si Ben, center. Siya talaga center niyo, guys. Introduce yourselves. Siya si Bill. Bill. Okay. Ito complete. Alright. Very good. Line. Sige, ako na maglaro. Alright, come on, let's go. That's it out. Point Team D. Is it in? It's in. It is in. I stand corrected. Point goes to Team C. Cheng serving. Second point for Team C. Cheng still serving. Counter attack from Team D. First point, Christian serving. Acknowledging the presence of our beauty queens from Taguig. That goes out. Point to Team D. 2-all. Christian serving. Substitution. Vargas in 10 out. Dale now serving for Team C. Let's go! Service ace from Dale. Team C gets its 4th point. And that's their 2nd ace as a team. Team D. John serving. Point for Team D. 4 serving 5. Sean still serving. Was it a net touch? Was it no net touch? Point goes to Team D. 5-all. Sean still serving for Team D. serving shot. Hawks gets the point. Another deadlock, 6-all. Big serving. That goes out. Too strong. JM now serving. That goes out. We have a tie again, 7-all. Humphrey serving for Team C. That goes out. Exchange of service errors. JV serving for Team B. Jordan serving for Team C. Score now is 8-all. Doesn't cross. Team C gets the point. Johan still serving. Service ace for Team C. They're up Johan. Team C gets its 10th point. Service error, Team D scores 9, serving 10, serving Beverly. That is short. Team C gets its 11th point. Now on the service line. That goes out. Team B gets its 10th point. Keeping it close. Kenneth serving. Somebody touched the net. It was Ben. Now it's 11-all. Kenneth still serving. Service line. Our resident Telpalawan gets it for another score. All right, Chen serving.
Hindi na kayo naglaro.
Catches the net. Unfortunately, Team D gets its 12th point. Christian back in the service line. Service ace from Christian. Now 13-all. serving now. Welcome, Red and company. They're serving. Too strong for Ben, sorry. 15 all now. JM serving. Substitution. Palimata out. De Leon in. Joey De Leon. Point for Team C. Serving Humphrey. 16, serving 15. Nice to see. From Joe. 17, serving 15. Humphrey still serving. Service error. Team D, keeping it close, 16-17. JD serving. Now they're tied at 17. Sikip ang laban. Tight. Tight match. That was a soft touch to persuade the point. Joey now serving 18, serving 17. Too much. Now we're tied at 18. My God, wala nang kapitalo. Let's see, Deb now serving. Up by the net. Charlie gets its 19 point warning. We have Neon on the service line.